It's a lovely Saturday morning, and I decided to defrost my fridge. I decided to have a look at a problem that I've been having with the hinges of the fridge door. Now this is a built-in fridge from HOTPOINT, and it has a deep freeze below and a fridge up at the top. And what's been happening is the hinges keep breaking, and each door has two hinges, one at the top, one at the bottom. So the deep freeze has a pair of hinges, and the fridge itself at the top has a pair of hinges. And basically the top hinge on both the fridge and the deep freeze were just breaking down, and they were losing the capacity to hold the door closed. They have a springiness that pushes the door closed. And this happened to me several times, and I really couldn't figure out what was going on. So I got back to the manufacturers in Italy, and they came back to me and said, well, they don't manufacture this model anymore, so they don't have spare hinges, and they can't really tell me what to do. And if you look at the front door, you'll see that there are two holes at the bottom, and the door handle that you see in the middle of the fridge door used to be located down at the bottom. And what was happening is that when I opened the door, the whole force, as I pulled on the wooden cover, the second door of the fridge, would go straight diagonally across the door, right up to the top left-hand hinge, and put such force on it that it would just disintegrate inside. And so I moved that door handle into the middle of the fridge door, and of course that was a time when the hinges had already broken on me, and I had to go down to a local shop, buy some hinges and just have them modified. The guy welded them and welded the mounting plates so that I could fit the hinges in properly. And so I did this, and now this fridge has been working for over 3 years without any problems at a time. And you can imagine what happens when you can't close the door on your fridge. It starts defrosting, it starts smelling, you can't keep it closed. And if you put something against it, you need to be able to open it, and you can't. And so it gets really, really tricky, and everyone in the house gets pretty irritated. So I'm making this video, and hopefully the manufacturers will take this to heart, and anyone who has been having this problem will find a quick fix to stop those hinges from just disintegrating. They just fall to pieces inside and lose their springiness and their ableness to keep the doors closed. So I hope you find this useful, and see you again sometime when I find out what else I can fix around the house. Bye.